Macronutrient and micronutrient in a plant. Deficiency and criteria for acidity essential nutrient and a nutrient without plant cannot survive or complete its life cycle is termed as the essential nutrient. It is directly involved in the plant metabolism and the biological function cannot be performed by any other element. For a qualifying as a essential nutrient element must satisfy an essentiality criteria pronounced by T.I. Anand and the P.R. Stroud in 1939, uh, which are deficiency and an essential nutrient element make it possible for the plant to complete the vegetative or reproductive stage of its life cycle. The deficiency is specific to the element and can be prevented or the corrected only by the supplying that element. The element is involved directly in the nutrition of the plant. Quite apart from its possible effect is in correcting some microbiological or chemical condition of the soil or other culture medium. Also, for 17 essential nutrients have been recognized for a plant growth. These are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, magnesium, and zinc and copper, boron, molybdenum, chlorine, and nickel. Detailed information on this essential nutrient is regards to the year of their discovery, name of the discovered sulfur average concentration. All the nutrients are the absolutely essential for the completion of the plant's life cycle. 60 million atoms of hydrogen, 30 million atoms each of oxygen and carbon, and 1 million atoms of the nitrogen are not of any use if one atoms of the molybdenum is not there in the plant. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen make up nearly 95 to 96 of the dry matter of the plant's. Carbon dioxide consumed in the photosynthesis provides the elements. Carbon and oxygen, water provides hydrogen, and the release of molecular oxygen during the light reaction of the photosynthesis. Remaining of 14 nutrients together continues a 4 to 55% of the dry matter. Nutrient classification of the nutrient has been done on the basis of the two criteria: quantity of nutrients required for the plant, the function role. The quantity based classification depend on the quantity required by the plant. Nutrient are the classified as a major or the macro and micronutrient listed, divided line between a major and micronutrient is a sulfur major and chlorine is a micronutrient. Major or a macronutrient. Major or a macronutrient. Macronutrient, major nutrient are those nutrients which are required in a large quantity, more than a chlorine and iron. These are include calcium, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. These since to the natural resource are air and water supply. Uh, Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen abundant abundantly. These do not find dimension. These are slide on soil fertility from the management and perspective are remaining a six reason nutrient and P3 calcium magnesium sulfur further are subdivided into primary and secondary nutrient. Primary nutrient is an nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are termed the primary nutrient because of their large quantity by the plants and commercial fertilizer connecting this nutrient are the light color that they are a widespread deficiency. Secondary nutrient calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are termed as the secondary nutrient because of their moderate requirement of the plant and the localized deficiency. These are called as secondary nutrient because of their incidental addition through the fertilizer connecting a primary nutrient. For example, phosphatic fertilizer, single superphosphate contain a calcium and sulfur in addition and sulfur, phosphorus, and likewise ammonium sulfate and nitrogenous fertilizer also supplements. Sometimes these have also been called abundance nutrients. Some macronutrients nutrient um, are required in a, relatively small quantities, but um, as essential as a macronutrient are the term the micronutrient. This include iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, nickel, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine. Micronutrient are subdivided into a cationic micronutrient, iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, nickel, and ionic micronutrient, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine are formed are the absorbed as a divalent cation. Uh, Latter are absorbed in the ionic forms. Boron is a boron is exception in that it could also be absorbed as a natural borax molecule. In addition to the essential mineral element, there are some elements which promote plant growth in many plant species but are not absolutely necessary for the mm, competition of the plant life cycle or a fail to meet honor and shout criteria on the other ground is are termed as a beneficial element. Another category includes silicon, sodium, and cobalt and selenium. Other elements that have been proposed as candidates for the essential or beneficial element includes the chromium, vanadium, and the titanium. Although strong evidence is lacking on this functional role or role-based classification, as name implies, a micronutrient required in a large quantities by a plants and the micronutrient in a small amount functional role of the element override this classification. Nutrient are classified on the basis of new functional role into four groups. Structure components, CHO and PS, the nutrient, these groups have a low molecular weight and they belong to the first two rows of periodic table. Being a smaller inside this system, atoms achieve a greater optical overlap of their electrons and leading to a stable and uh, stable and covalent compounds. A potassium plant root absorb the potassium ions is concentrated in the healthy plant tissue varies from 1% to 5%, which is a more less equal to than a nitrogen. Potassium is a unique element in this sense. The plant can accumulate it in the abundant amount without the exhibiting. In any toxicity symptom, this behavior has been described as the luxury consumption. It also plays a regularly role in the plant metabolism in the development, but it is not a structural compound of the plant. So while a potassium is not part of the chemical structure of the plant, it is required for numerous plant growth process as it plays a major role in the catalyzing activities of more than 60 enzymes. Deficiency symptoms of potassium alder leaves may well look fluorosis being at the basis and but the leaf margins. Calcium, an essential part of the plant cell wall structure and provides for the normal transport and the retention of other elements while stand in the plant. It is also through the plants the effect of the source of calcium are the chromium, gypsum, and the superphosphate. And deficiency and newly top of the plant are the disco and the irregularly shaped causes of blooms and the root. Magnesium is a part of the chlorophyll second in all green plants and is essential for the photosynthesis. It also helps about active on many parts plant and germ needed for the growth, soil minerals and organic minerals, fertilizer and the limestone on dolomite are sources of the magnesium for the plant. Old leaves turn a yellow and just green the shape in the center of the leaf. Nitrogen, it is an essential component of amino acid, protein, nucleic acid, parapherins, phylic pyrimidine, nucleotides, flavic nucleotides, enzymes, coenzymes, and the alkaloids. Nitrogen connecting chlorophyll second in the presence of the solar energy, fixed atmospheric carbon dioxide, and carbohydrate being a continuance of the nucleic acid with ribonucleic acid RNA and the deoxyribonucleic acid, nitrogen is responsible for the transfer of the genetic code of the springs. The protein are continuous of the structure units of the participate in the catalysis of the biochemical reaction. Nitrogen improves the quality and leafy vegetables and the food fodders. Nitrogen fertilizer improves the protein quantity of the food grains by enhancing the proportion of the glutamic acid and proline and the phenylalanine, cysteine and the methionine and the thyroxine and the decreasing amounts of the lysine and the histidine and arginine, aspartic acid, and threonine and glycine, while in leucine in the grape. In general, yellowing of a fodder deficiency and leaves bottom of the plant and the rest of the plant in the often light and green. Phosphorus of a structure component of the nucleic acid DNA, RNA, and also considered a fatty phospholipid which have specific importance in the membrane development and function. All energy transfer in the cell or the critical depend on the phosphorus as a compound of ATP is involved in the generation of the membrane electrical potential and respiration and the photosynthesis cellulose and hemicellulose pectins and lignin protein lipids phospholipid and nucleic acid, and because of this process, phosphorus is involved in energy transfer, photosynthesis, transportation of a sugar and a starch nutrient movement within a plant, and the transfer of the genetic characteristics from the generation to the next. Since ATP can be used for the biosynthesis of a meat plant, a bionuclears. Phosphorus is important for a plant growth and mm, flower and seed formation. It is essential ingredient for a rhizobium bacteria to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the ammonium from usable by a plant being an energy source. It also influences needle development in the plant. It modifies the activity of various enzymes by phosphorylants and that can be used for a cell uh, Sulfur sufficient phosphorus producer deeper and the life was root enabling the plant to explore bigger soil volume and for a water and nutrient. It improves the crop health and reduce the incident dense and uh, severity of the many crop disease quality factors influenced by the phosphorus and include a low moisture content of the grain, higher sugar content, less disease loss, a greater proportion of marketable yield, better feed value, and the improved draw and the salinity resistance. It increases water use efficiency and help crops achieve optimal performance under the limited moisture condition. Deficiency symptoms are in a general plant having a less than 0.1 percent 100,000 ppm phosphorus are designated a phosphorus deficiency because of the being a mobile in the plant. First sign of its a deficiency appear on the older leaves in a maize and some other grass species. Purple discoloration of the leaf edges. Uh, appear purple color in the dew anthocyanin accumulation phosphorus deficiency plant lived on intense green because of the excessive accumulation of carbohydrates under the very several phosphorus deficiency every me because denaturate and the turn necrotic and the general phosphorus deficiency plant the thin erratic and the spindle with the spares restricted for the development of the lateral buds and the uh, suppressed leaves becomes a narrow making and the acute angle with the steam axis and the foliage turns a blushy green. Magnesium is a part of the chlorophyll in the all green plants, essential for the photosynthesis. It is also help active plant enzymes needed a plant growth and soil minerals, organic limestone, organic matter, fertilizer, and Domestic limestone are the source of the magnesium for the plants. Older leaves turn yellow and the edges leaving a green color and unshaped in the center of the leaf. Sulfur essential plant food are the production of the protein promotes an activity and the development of the enzymes and vitamins helps in a chlorophyll second formation improves the root growth and the seed production help in the various part of growth and the resistance to cold and sulfur may be supplied to the soil farmer and water it is also added in the some fertilizer as an impurity especially the lower grade fertilizer, the use of gypsum also increase the soil sulfur level. Deficiencies in younger leaves turn yellow first, sometimes yellow followed by older leaves. Copper important for reproductive growth. Aids in a root metabolism and the help in the utilization of the protein deficiency. Leaves are a dark green plant is iron essential formation chlorophyll source are the soil iron and oxide iron chelates and yellowing deficiency yellowing color between the veins of a young leaves. Micronutrient is a copper important for reproductive growth and aids in the root metabolism and help in the utilization of the protein deficiency symptoms leaves are a dark green plant is are essential for for information of purity. Second source of the are the soil iron, oxide iron chelates yellow in color between the veins of the leaf. Magnesium function or enzyme system involved in the uh, sequence of chlorophyll and metabolism is the source of magnesium yellow in color between the veins and the young leaves. A pattern is not as distinct as the green. Iron come to found others and other deformation either is a top reduction in the size of the parts and parts liver shoots fruits and generally dead as spots or a patches. Molybdenum helps in the use of nitrogen soil is source of the molybdenum, generally allowing of older leaves and bottom of plants and the the rest of the plant uh, plant is often a light green color. Um, essential for the transformation and the carbohydrates regulations of sugar consumption. Part of the enzyme system which is regulate the plant growth. Source of the zinc are soil zinc, oxide zinc, sulfate zinc, chelates, terminal leaves, media, and the yellowing occurs between the various elements of the new leaves. For helps in the use of the nutrient and regulates other nutrient add is a production of the sugar and carbohydrate essential for the seed and fruit development. Source of the boron and organic matter and borax and terminal buds diets which is blooms from and root interpretation. Related importance of this process in supplying nutrients to a corn crop nutrient nitrogen amount need for 9,500 kg grain hectare, so 190 root interpretation 2 and mass flow and 150 and diffusion 30. Each process, along with the factor affecting it, is described like a mass flow. Transpiration includes convective flow, is termed as a mass flow, defined as the movement of dissolved nutrient along with the water to the plant root, which the plant roots absorb a transpiration. The amount of a given nutrient supplied by the mass flow J can be computed by the using equation like J is equal to V into C, where the V is the amount of the water transpired during the cropping season to produce the given dry matter Y, and the C1 is the average concentration of the nutrient ion in the bulk soil solution. Amount of the water used by the crop during the season is computed using either the transpiration ratio uh, or amount of water used by the crop. This can be illustrated by the taking a wheat crop as an illustrative example. Let us assume that the wheat crop having a harvest index of the zero point 0.4 produced a 4 ton grain yield per hectare. It has a transpiration ratio of the 300 or it uses a 30 centimeter of water during the entire cropping season. Volume of water used could be calculated by the using either a transpiration ratio or a irrigation water used. Diffusing diffusion one more factor affecting a mass flow, slow soil water content that drier the soil, lesser in the mass flow, introduce a nutrient movement. Temperature, low temperature, reduce the transpiration and evaporations and the consecutive moment of the volume of the water and gets reduced you reduce it drastically. Size of the root system, both amount of water and the volume of soil is uh, amount of the water and the volume of the soil is comes from get affected by the size of the root system. This affects water uptake, therefore nutrients moving the their water, their root density is however less critical for the nutrient supply by the mass flow and for a inter, and root interpretation and diffusion. Diffusion in a simplicity, diffusion is a movement of nutrient through water from yeah, an area of a high concentration to an area low concentration. As a root absorb a nutrient ion from the soil solution, concentration of root surface decrease compared to the bulk soil solution. As the consequence, the ions diffuse down the concentration gradient toward root surface as in this before we already discussed on a mass flow. So diffusion is a principal supply a mechanism for the nutrient like phosphorus, potassium, iron, and zinc that interact strongly with the soil. Diffuse delivers the nutrient to the plant roots rather slowly. For example, distance moved by the nutrient by a diffusion is a 10 days away from a 1.3 centimeter space on the nitrate to 0.013 centimeter. So, because of this diffusion, assumed a significance only in the root rhizosphere. Diffusion follows a Fick laws which state that the amount of the nutrient ion moving per unit area per unit time proportional to concentration gradient. Factor affecting diffusive supplies factor which influence soil water diffuse of nutrient ions occurs through water. For diffuse to occur, continuity of moisture films is a must. In case of dry soil, since there is a no continuity of the moisture films defect, diffusive movement will easy to occur. Anticriminal rise in water content rise the D values as it makes a soil water less than a less less vesicles. Water films grow in size and reach level where most of the water is a bulk water. As soil water content increase to a saturation, the D tends to be maximum. Soil compaction, the soil solid, liquid, and gaseous phase consider 1535 and 1535 of the soil on a volume basis. And incremental increases in the soil compaction at the same moisture content leads to the exclusion of air and soil particles come closer and the continuity of a moisture flow increase the diffusion coefficient. A gradual increase, the diffusion coefficient reaches a maximum critical bulk density. When a whole of air is excluded and water occupies all the pore spaces above the bulk density, the coefficient exhibits the decreasing tends as increase in the compaction beyond the critical bulk density makes solid particles come closer at the expenses of the exclusion of the water and the physical hinder create to reduce the diesel coefficient value. Temperature at a very low temperature diffusion virtually as easy because ions need some minimum activation energy for enabling them to participate in the reaction. Rise in the temperature in addition to overcoming this activation's energy step increases fluidity or reduce the viscosity of water. This in turn facilitates the diffusion of the ions. Chemical amendments buffer power Describe the quantitative relationship between concentration of neutron ions plus a solution phase per centimeter cube of soil to concentration of the same ions in a solution per centimeter cube of solution. Chemical amendments, lime, acid soil, and gypsum and solid soil, manure and fertilizer, chelating agents, etc. modify the concentration of the nutrient ions in soil solution. We describe the quantitative relationship between a concentration values undergo a change as the result in the modification in nutrient ions in our soil. So, for example, rise in a pH associated with the addition of the lime decrease the concentration of cation and increase the concentration of the ions of the soil solution. So, as the consequence, diffusion coefficient of the cations so decreased that. Of iron increase due to liming. Added calcium carbonate also progressively removes the cations from the soil solution through adsorption. Thus the inducing their buffer power to rise and effective diffusion coefficient defective to fall. Application of the gypsum in a sodic soil reduce the pH of the soil as a result of which diffusion coefficient rises. Added organic manure release a low molecular weight biochemicals which have ability to form a soluble organic organometallic complex with the cation. These complexes causes a reduction in the buffer power and the increases in the d values. Root and root inter in, root inter root interception. This is the terms used in describe the soil nutrient. The root surface that don't have a move to the interface to become available for absorption. The quantity of nutrient ion supplied by the root interceptance the taken as the quantity present in the volume of the soil equal to a root volume. Although relatively smaller, its contribution is significant for the nutrient present in a higher concentration. Example calcium and magnesium, and also for the nutrient required in a small amount of zinc, manganese, and other micronutrient. Fungal infections infections on highly infertile soil plays a significant role in increasing the contributions of food inter, intercepts factor restrict uh, which restrict root growth like soil dryness, compaction, low pH, poor aeration, root disease, including insect attack and nematode infection. The abnormally high or low soil temperature reduce the contribution of the root interruptions. However, it has been now established that root interception is not an independent mechanism, and the contribution assigned to it get included in the mass flow and diffusion process. Ionic absorption by ionic absorption by a plant. Moment and nutrients H the root surface. These penetrate the root by the pa- uh, passive movement into free space and reach closer to the root surface, where these have an opportunity to get either absorbed on the negatively charged root because of a root cation exchange capacity or get located near them as ion counter balancing the cations for maintaining electro neutralite and finally enter the plant cell and the accumulated and redistribute into the translocate to different parts. Root properties including root structure and the anatomy are important determinations and the magnitude of a ionic absorption. Root anatomy and structure. Root cap covers the apical meristem, root tissues, and the tip of the root and the produce as a slimy substance. This hard root is more easily going through the ground. Apical meristem replace cell of the root caps as they are the damaged. Downward section of a primary root, the existence of the outer epidermal layer. Epidermis covers the outside of the root and the existence called root hair. Root hair that absorb the water and 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 increase the surface area of root. The core of the root, called a vascular cylinder, contains xylem and phloem. A band of a ground tissue called a cortex surrounded the vascular cylinder. A single cell layer called endodermis separates the cortex and the vascular tissues. Endodermal cells are coated with the waxy layer called a Casparian strip. This ionic absorption channel. Ionic mineral nutrients are absorbed by the plants from the soil solution in ionic form. For example, potassium, nitrate form, phosphatic form, sulfate. And the ions have a two possible pathway for a root uptake through a apoplasm, cell wall, and intracellular space. And second one is movement cell to cell, the semiplasm through a living cell. The apoplasmic pathway, the blocked at endodermis by a Caspian band, deposit of a hydrophobic material in the cell wall. These apoplasmic barriers force the water and ions to move through a cellular membrane. If they are to be absorbed by the root the Caspian bands that block apoplasmic movement of the ions are essential to sensitive achieve transporter in uh, in the membranes of a plant cell. For any given nutrient, Iron to be accumulated by the plant, it must be transported across root cell membrane. Regulation for this transporters and enable control of internal nutrient composition like selective and concentration for purpose of understanding differential ionic selectivity. Knowledge of the structure of the plant cell is a must. Each plant cell is characterized and the separated from each other by the cell wall, which enclose the and houses the nucleic and the organelle. Cell wall as on the its inner sides a semi-permeable membrane called a plasma membrane or plasma mammalia allows only selective absorption of ions. The jelly-like fluid made by of mostly water and salt fills the cell is called a cytoplasma solution. Outside the cell wall, which is ready to move into the cytoplasma, is called a opoplasm. Cytoplasma contains all the organelles, uh, chloroplast and endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, microfilaments, microtubules, and mitochondria, nucleus, peroxisome, ribosome, and vasculars. From ionic absorption perspective, with each cell has a single large site and vascular accumulating in organic and the organic molecules along with the water. These are the separated from the cytoplasma by a semi-permeable and membrane called John Plast. And thus, to each and the vascular ion has to cross two semi-permeable membranes. First, lamina and the tone blast. Semi-permeable membrane allow the selective absorption of nutrient best described by the carrier hypothesis theory pronounced by the Epstein 1953. Those basic features of the described uh, here. Carrier hypothesis, this theory pronounced by the Epstein 1953 recognized as the existence of the carrier molecule on the semi-permeable cell. Semi-permeable cell or these molecule are called a carrier because this possesses the specific because this possesses the specific binding site for a particular ions. According to this theory, ions transported to the surface of plant roots, the soil combine with the carrier molecular forming and the ion carrier complex semi-permeable membrane allows the selective diffusion and the ion carrier complex into the cytoplasma. Ion uptake involving carrier molecular is the in this scheme, and ions combinations with the carrier molecular are phosphorylated compounds forming and the ion carrier complex. This ion carrier complex preferentially diffusing across the membrane encounters the phosphate enzymes which split off the phosphate of the complex, and as a result the carrier loses its affinity for the ion, and the ion is released into the cytoplasm. This released carriers in regenerated and activated by the uh, phospho phosphokinase enzyme located on the inner side of the boundary for utilization of energy released from the breakdown of the ATP. This activated carriers against traverses to the outer side of the plasma membrane and intercepts and ions transport it across the plasma membrane, loses ion to the cytoplasm and loses its activity. It gets regenerated, and the cycle goes on the chemically. This cycle has been created by the Mangel and the Crick by 1982. Uh, Phosphokinase carrier plus ADP reaction carries phosphorus plus ADP. After that, the carries phosphorus plus iron. So it react carries phosphorus iron and carries phosphorus and ions. So phosphate carries plus phosphorus first and ions and net ions and ADP react iron plus ADP and phosphor. Nutrient ion uptake by a plant root is diagrammatically described by a Mangel and Crickby. A relationship is best described by the equation famously called as the um, Marchlis-Manton kinetics equation in entomology. Conclusion and 17 elements calcium, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, nickel, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine have been identified to be essential for a completion of the plant life cycle. But out of this requirement of the CHO, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are met from air and water. Rest are the absorbed from the soil by the plant roots as per quantity based on classification. Uh, Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are classified as a major nutrient, and iron, manganese, and zinc, copper, nickel, boron, and chlorine as a micronutrient. But all are the absolutely absolutely indispensable for a plant growth in relation to the nutrient level to soil, native or applied, is described by the growth laws pronounced by the Liebig law. law of minimum and Miscellani's law of physiological relationship, and the or Valence law of maximum raise concept of the nutrient availability and mobility have been the most outstanding addition to the contemporary development in the field of the plant nutrition. Soil plant quantum soil with respect to the nutrient dynamic has been excessive or residual, and the process of the nutrient movement to the plant root and their ultimate absorption by the plant roots have been and the doesn't supply nutrient to a plant roots, and once this reach to a root surface and the absorb the activity of the passively by the plant root with the without expenditure of the energy following well-known theories of ionic absorption, out of the which Stefan Carrier's hypothesis has been most extensively used in nutrient uptake modeling study.